Hello, welcome to Bini Edo TV. My country people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you dey watch us from. Well, our brother Prophet Atiti say in get message for our women when they social media, the way that they disgrace themselves. So make I leave you, make you hear from our brother Prophet Atiti.
Share this video, let this video go viral. Now me una brother, all of una know. Una good evening, una welcome. Don't be annoyed, don't be paralyzed. The Edo man, when he come for here today, na Edo go speak. No matter if I dey speak some broke people for inside. Una go dey hear am. I don't call, I don't many call since I don't see say our sister. I don't call, I don't see the man saying our brother. So now I say I'll come enlighten some matter here this evening. Before I go analyze them, I go talk for my talent. I will go talk for Igbo, Anam, Brakedu. I go see talking for that side. If you dey here, you know they speak Igbo. No surprise, say today I go speak Igbo, new generation Prophet Atiti, no language when I do hear. Any artist speak Igbo man go understand. Ugbo Kwen, yeah, Ugbo Kwen, yeah. If you don't know what can orisi waya to we na Muhammad waya gbe me we one or two one waya I dey dey gbeke ya aso ni me. Adogu man ni me o ari platform mi me. O ari platform mi me o ga mi ni me wa ni mo new generation Prophet Atiti. No ki ye ko viare e wona ti evileka omo no ma Yesu ku no go azebo no the broken English. So if you need ba otana imi video pa no pe pa so di go me no there. O send the gume ina do not avena na do miewe ibude inya e ma yi mi e ma ya mi wa ya bi ma mana ge bi ni wa wu owo wo mu ma zevi if you wa ma hin zevi if you wa o no you wa ga mu wo bi wa do mi awo nyu to si nyu we no gbin we na no wa yin o no mu mana gba mi ma ni pe ana we ni ma ya gun an we ni ma ya gu wa gun an osonu wa no bu gogo yo wa le ge mo pia wa we bi e di se character emi na ni magui na we o ti me we yi me o vi we ona me do mi wa ko ri o we gui so mana gu wa gu e gba mi na bi ji ma wa ga take away crime no awo ni wa ya fi were e awo ni wa yin di yin mi no keke adege kwa kaveriye minu matadu wa kaveriye e present as bunore e Europe una sewan ori ekere wona una sewan e de ya e present ka te no ojo we oje ni mebe gun na ni ani ya ni metana ojo we mana ade wona ari ekere wona ya aweni wona ari bani e bi no te keke no abi ma Veni agwe ni pi agun eri ave gwe ni ko gun e tun yin me mo bo gba ni muslim o yin me ma gba ni me awo ko no mo se o pelo gba ko no mo se na ga za o ma we ni maje i ma yi za o mu yan o ko ni mo ko ni am se ma yi za o mu yan na ya di ayan na ya kamiyan o yin me no keke na adege mama na nyu me we go gwe ma we nyu me we go ta we fu for 40 is fu forever no se ona mi we o ma we ni meje new generation Owen no kevile kare Owen za more mana mo mi agbadi awutana kenita kenema bijima ya fefefe averima nwala nwe ya bome no manoro wayiri ni kasa boka ma bijima verima ne de ba manore ma de ba mo bo mo we ni za boka wa we mere dono we gare dono wa miewe okuta debe de negworo oba no meto ano ilekwele ko wa we mi we to bugbe imani de testimony but wa gogo kian ogogo ni megwa lo ni bia we ni office wo bono ma la vera me bije me o me video pa ni mi no de ikagwa ka video ni na kota ina de gbe do la de utara na do gwa kan ina do nota no bun agbona ni maje na we no robo ni enipia ere o robo ni ku awe eniko ga gwire ban awe nipia ma nipia ga gwire ban awe ni ku ma abijima nwala o if you want my yakin awoku obi oba obi ekan obi vi o we bi me ni generation no te wa ru yi gedegbe nu wa isupa wa isowo awunyi wan wanyi awanyi won tosi unji me no ma gba zewo omo no ma koko awunyi me wanyi egbunyi me beri yo wa sowo o ma keke awene koko do ni won so e wan no so we no do kian so we na bidima imi video pa ban wakae koto ade ibi Anambra na ya mambo bo we mi ma zewu ni mi ma ni pe anobun yi hu ma ya dekun ya ini ku akaka wo ni mi ma ni pe ano te ni mi ma ni pe e ki agbi biere no o si e ya bi gbuku na gbe e ki atu no awona control pe ma die ge ni no buwo o si na ya in video ni mi owe na okay kakabo dame adege me no viedo me na kame o give ma be o we no we na me do o kame na no na de ko yo wa o ki aka mo si owe owu unyime na wa be yin ya me yin wo wa ya o ya we o igbe agia botabi kuona no tegbere ri o ma lo sinya wo eweta o wa me ya me o ya me o igbe agia muwere o wa me no me abi yiga pa ba re ne ira meje mistake ni abi sun yi ma na yiga sikini ri wo do ni o wi amimi o ida yiyan ma eni ma o se ti uno da fin yen ni wo wa ni lata we a wa me yu ya me yin igbe agia eyin yin ni awen o si ma fe gbe odase ofemnia o inobu yere o weri o no yewe nyunye bunyume na be koko awen o ama oge ijima we no sunu da obokri agu egukere iyemeku egukere ete na dori e worion ete na dori e mo iwenwe bia orion oge kakabo dane ete te bitene ki arie no mono ye nwa de grand new generation ahian do vano o si e biedo na wa awe mi agemi hu igbe wi pia no fun neti na e piche me ni di ri piche so mo bon e vedene na ya we agwale no ba ri kun no wi gbo ri piche ge o so mo bon e dene na e scammer no ni but e scammer o wa nene e ona o mu ne piche we dado wa no ya deceive vi ko na baba o ve gbe ira wa ve gbe iku bomo yo e ki ama ona yo bo wu ewe bona ni magina mani bonwo land of opportunity no kemi no ria o zevi yomo no gidi ba yo onwetebune zevi romo kemi no ria o no ri ba yo onwetebune we no ma o we na ma be gbe ai defiati o ma me gwana jena na ke a o ke be gbe o ya me do mi ni mi o dege no gbera but ibude eri no na bidima avere ma vi ya fefefe no ridan me o iji man we no sunu da nuka bob e busy egbe te we are be na o ja sele ke kin ari nu e zebe ko ni receive vo debe ya ike so wa na do mi we awe won nuti amene nuti ya jaji wo pia a ope agbono eiga no emi ni to yona kamu wa very short video no abi yima ya fefefe abi single mother abi kuno we ro wodo katikati ikuno ro wodo no bu voice wo the baby single mother o pia no wa ma address en wa bege me net ebo we phone na iya we abi na ya togi abi material tisi na ya we na ya togi iya we na ya fipileku ipianu wa ma so wa nu wa la o wa agban gbegbe yan wa gbagbe oyemero wo opi awodo amen oyemero for years ami mi le sunu ami mi le seti sunu but ovi gboni not working now ele mo ki ala o gbe o ki ala o ta ìgbàgbọ́ tẹ́ gbé ọkọ ẹ̀ a disgrace not only no timano kuna in Napoli or timano kuna in Napoli imano ya timene sin ni agumegua awo avec gbe iku bon yo si na ya fefefe e ti pia rewun gbeje ni e kiema gallant iye ma ekwe awo ve no ve gbe o si na ya so iyima ege ka bo da we gbe yan we amenoro oza wa gbo gbogbo awo no ve gbe o si na ya o we si e ave ikuna no pa owodo because no dey social benefit here no go wo awo ve gbe na eno adowo pe ala me mi no wu una do bodo pe apa na me mi no wu awe 400 orire wo no ko na be ame mi no wu we na be are 400 dire 800 ni he also wire live also wire lai e ki o pe aga pari wina o ko agera sinu a o ko ga pari wina o pe aga new generation o si na ya wala abijima ka boka bo yimia itan fi loju gbe abijima awe disgrace to wagiri igima wa isowo o mai mi no keke o pe anu mai no da wa gwa phone o dege we face to face with phone e no ma keke e no ma gba no di uzangi egbe ne gbege ga kian o mo ga kian wo do o e kian we no yo mo aga o e kian we a o e kian at least believe when we jina ni a video me se kinu je ne kinu we a di Napoli ji ma no lega we ya call me nesi we mi video ni eku egbu we ma mu we when we jina we may get yourself when ya ama we e to ba we e to ga di social media no do we to ya gwa le viewer to ya gwa le yoma o ma je beri o awe won ma nuti ame no pia uma wo pia ni ovigbo ni ewo bino bubu no ewi ano unwa paso bino umae oni osie ke allo what are you oh yeah, contribute. We don't go to blame her. You don't hear me? I said maybe not to blame her. No. You see, you talk one word, just not to say men, not for the city where the woman did. You don't know what the men where they for that city don't do that woman where you can't make her go to find love for internet. As they tell me, they say na Igbo man I bought 2 pikin for before. You know, say, listen, why I tell you one word. You know, in the word where you throw away, so we see pick sense from inside. You know, see, you say, wait till they try to talk now, now walk. Now you for know that man, not be internet, not be internet. So that one they different, totally they different. You know what I want quarrel with her for? You know what I want quarrel with her for? Yeah, well, blame us more. I'll say blame us more. You do well for your contribution. We see big sense from this side. And I will go listening to your contribution again. Maybe I will see take sense for inside. In case of another day, I'll take and see advise people. You do well, my sister. God will bless you. Anything way they put on, it go better for you. No problem. No problem. No problem. You do well. Thank you. So, my brothers and my sister, if you do not go, man, or Zedo, or Zebo, or maybe able not to say now the moment like but you can't anywhere you have Zedo. So if you do not go, man, if man were to book where Zevin we were sending or what barrel when I am with Billard and read picture where someone born a scene, where we are by a party. When I am with Billard, Okpiani, no those come when when I'm your water, we set a good one. But we are got control where we are now, where we are now. No badgy. Be no ba. I think I may ban on Macbia. Muriema woke animal mama or I'm Okpiani. Even we were soon in Manubuma. Igo yangi ya gwalo igo abi imame na. Ika de kwegbe temptation na dokpa o my pe of that guy 6 months ago. Iye bi time ma o we afio o na wa o we afio ma o ni dedede. On wa message call won wa ban wa. In why me ka na o we opa fio na meri nwe na ina review ina block e. Gik bia so ga no medere o wa defi be di only lewe o ma no ya no gure. So avijima no wa lao. Imo bo me mi adu tagbe mi ya igu megun na sin. Ya wa mi ko na ego ma gun ogo fo ko wu kian. E wono ji ologa ki mi owo wi. Kana do mi we Iviego, only Ibia o. Oh, you will get no banning or Siminoga Regana window 2 years before coronavirus case. Is saver where me if you do, if you woman or we can equal, if you book gear gunning. Banao Reve. Bevao Reve. We are not to was no way here we bogi was no in our address me Yagwali, Avia, maybe your mammy wa. A oveme o ma buse I oni fe o se ya igba iku na ya fe eso yi mi eso nia o yi kan yo so wa we maybe ibabe we ni ro kere dada iku na yan ma me so abo wa gi gogun me pan iwa to wa o i do we fa no so wa fa no do ami iku na da are no da oveme no a oveme yan ma oni ayu bo wo o si na ya no wa lao yin mi aye mi wa abiji man. awu nyimen wa meni ya fe kina o ese video na ama show every set show kina o ese because you know ke kina ri ni hu na ya fe o kina so ari yu ni an die na yu ni gbe yan adegin yan na yu ni gbe yan ma uyi ni o ke kini ma ri e ni yan adegin ma yu ni gbe yan ma be gbe yan re ma be yan so ye wo veno na je venite amugbe ete la dia be na but yen dogumegun iwan dogumegun e o ma ero aguna kimi owe ologo okedo mi we mi no da worion o viere te wo wa gbore o to we mi le so bo kuzebudi o ma we mi la dano so veno je ma ke mo bo ku we gui ma ke mo bo ro wi we o vi gboni le piso egwe yan ye di tete egume ni yan ye di tete maybe yan di tete fune yan ga fi mi ya gume adege ni ge do re phone na ni flash e ma wa or we wanana nene wi boru we wanana so iri do no go me so abijima waya awaya semi no sunu na ave ikunoro wodo single mothers awaya semi no sunu na ni no we social media imano we social media ma but imano we social media wona na ya o walao wa wemi abijima wa remi u eki ayobo obowan yabo odafo wan fo awe owu emi no ma se mi o si na ya eki ayobo wan mo odafo wan fo awe owu e emi no ma se mi ayobo ogbon wo ko wan fo awe owu e eki a una fi ipiano bunia igoku yen wa agwale yen agwalo bi ya tuta ke single mother ihu no bun eriyan mi gwali go pe ahian eki ama una yo bo emi na riri au na tike na dai o si na ya efe won kiki iwie do no go me mostly ihu ori man efe won kiki ami do ma do so abo no gi ma fe wa gbon adegu ma fe omo mi fo ma ya no rewo bo de na eri ma ya bo wa bedo but omona ade wo no born here opportunity erugbe Africa na bi we Africa omon we bie ma okunu we rie good name Kenya no we rie ni esi Kenya okovi gwenia ona da omono no advance ni a ona do mi video ni we ni jomo ona do mi video ni we so wo ga resi when I will be happy you will not be happy. So ni riri ta popa ma okay na wi yomo ya fefefe no ri ma ni ya awe mi me to bi me no mi video ni e ko ma ri me ama wo wi we ona ame mi opa no una o de to ifie pilot ni a de to ifie moto ni a ona do mi video we ni yomo ni ona do mi video we ni ijiye na ina o ga fie play ona de wodu hu awe opopo wa no owo popa zeno o was in or rewe yeno as in rewe yeno we ne yo bi yen si no so abi yo mo ya fe we ni ri ya tai owe ye presenter we ni ri ya tai no walao no mi video na wana we show na vera no pe ariwo no horiwo aju nyimo si we ki an se ti do nu di go nyun me dan komo oyo edogbo maga aje bere ni oyin na mo pe pa wo ji maga ebe ba kedo won afo ibi kedo won afo yin kedo paki wodo ni maga owi oji e maga ti e mi no gba oyo me na ti wan owi azen e fi happy e we una yima e ki agwa lo pe akian a una won do we not total de na we na adam yi me na ya share video na go wesin we totania opiano ma se opiano we bie na or you do you we wana or mu we betu mu we ya ekie igbe balome e kiama no ri no do opia okuga o megbene. A marriage is taking of 3 days. A marriage or take a time to understand it. If the other pastor of boy, then I got poor man, why I tell what I'm cousin Bowodo, as a Bowodo, Kimiki, no real water, as a Bowodo, we are power when I reckon where he would only. When we tell you where we are power, where is la water, we are area, because to Saba no wet, while pianity could be, or when no $1 $1. But the na o piano ma se we the mo disgrace te bi te o the mudu wa gbe o the mudu wa gbe. So you know see attitude e bo no ro pa ma e we attitude e bo we ni ya generalize e na bi ma ya fe wa la o wa ri no man ro wa ni ne man ro wa drop e we no keke me ya me video na ke no de ade me o e here we see na we ijo mo wa na ina we no ko na zo se na among obiye gado mio. Do you think that baby will be happy? Or no, see, we have Jima Yafefe, wa we wa give you, Agbi Pierre. We came in a real. I dig when we are Dafun when you will county. Uni will piano mamma. If you were said you were counting more piano for mamma, you were my mamma. When you will not be any making it, when you knew me, mamma, and you get my mamma, $1 you could be, but why is it? Why, while you already made what one of here. Although I'm not sick behind it, even a warrior, you're number one. A book, we are with the ban one, and we tell you with bedroom near. We may ban on Odafu, baby, Odafu when you know when we come really was song. And then go out for now, I don't know when we move was away. What we know what we be by. What when I might stay, you walk pania or while you go, my stage you walk pa, telephone conversation. De ave we no ga gi, nyonyana. How very. Every no ba. So, Erita Seviedo. My country people, una good evening, una welcome. The Igbo people, the broken English people. I beg. Wait till I come beg when I get one video when the viral they go now. When one of una brother, we Igbo man, when he speak Igbo for inside the video, wait till I come beg una. Una will be presenters from Igbo, una brother Igbo, una sister Igbo. I beg. If I say when I call the cursor now, I never see this man. But they just send the picture for me. Very soon, name everything they'll bring up for me. They'll show me, they give me everything, I'll come talk to them. But wait till they try to tell you now, we be man. We come for other tribe. We know the year been in a very short message. And I know say I know the truth for video, I know be presenter. I be traditional daughter. Wait till they try to tell you now, I beg, this evil act, what you they get for women. We go say na one follow woman be friend. Una call the displace them for outside, not be waiting good. You that man, when he record this our sister, you come circulate and make people see him. Sit down for your house. Think of whether a good thing you do, whether they will do it to your mother. If you know say a person do it to your mother, he go pay you to do this thing. Your days are numbers. Your days are numbers. Better go better go and beg for forgiveness in any way and come out and confess. God, what you do so as that man when you go record that woman come out, come bring and come make people come see her. Now curse now you put for your generation. Curse when they know fit when pastor no fit develop. When native doctor no fit develop, when they no fit deliver, now I call and develop. So na very bad thing. So if una dey there, una be men way they do all those things because of money. Una want find money for woman hand. Una want find money for woman hand. Some women see they do am, some women they do am now. Now the new system where they take they operate, now be that. I beg, Muna come for this evil out. Mona come out for this evil, don't be waiting good. Sometimes you feel be man where God want bless forever. You're wet, you know if you can't turn. Because of this mistake, when you can't do so, you go come be saying you wait there for flat before you can't go one room. You wait there for room before you can't go straight. Go to find food they eat. Not be waiting good, my brother. Any of brother wait there, wait they do one. Any brother where they wait there for them, we go they do all this type of thing. Not be waiting good. The way I take come and say if I come this evening, 12 of them, now trouble. As I come for road just now, people come, they call me. They go explain things to me. I beg, sister, what you want beg una? All this internet men where they write message for una. If you quickly accept them, block them. If you quickly accept them, block them. Say you be single mother, you get one man where they feel they tell you sweet word for telephone. You don't know your address. You don't know the part of city where for come. Even the Oyibo land when it day, you don't know the city where they stay. You don't know the address of your house. If they talk to you for phone. This phone when you see, so that they take fake account, open date of birth, everything. Then they change name, they open and you go put the picture. So our sisters, make una, they look something to do. Our brothers, I dey beg una, na very short video I can't drop. Since when they call me since, people call me, my moon, when I want to come out, it changed. I see Tikan yesterday, I versed yesterday, but I see and say, the woman, I see our mama, now our sister. Not be say just come out. He call the dance. He call the dance the rest people. This one come out. He love man. He give an act. He acts before saying doesn't man when you want marry at the old age. See what you that man go do. You say God will forgive you. God will forgive you if you put one for anything tomorrow. The thing call the wave. The thing not call the good. You call the say na your wish way there for your village. You say na wish way there for Anambra. You don't know what you go do other woman. If that woman tears when they come out for that woman body now, as the woman be, so the pace when they come out for a man now. Many people say they don't call her, not the pick phone. They say they don't call her, not the pick phone. Pace, the woman go there for inside bed now, the tears. All the name of love, man, when you be loved before, see what you go cause for a body. You that man, wait, they do it to your sister, they do it to your mother. Will you be happy? If you know what is good for you, that man, when I share this video, make viral. If you know what is good for you, better go on your knee to go and beg that woman and beg the word and go and make confession. It's not a good thing that you do. It's not a good thing. Really, I'm telling you the facts. I've been in church when I no go school. The way I fit to tell you, so now I tell you. Now the way I fit to tell you, now I tell you so. Whether like you know, whether you take it or not, is very bad. You just sit down for your parlor now. You drama will do this thing. They'll just send video come for you like that. It will be your mother. How will you feel? That is evil art. Devil worship. Dey for your family. You need deliverance. You that man will do one. If not because of money, you do one before. They say money no go enter your hand for money. You no go enter for evening. They say anything where they pour hand, now you are bought. Now you go till they come out for a side. Anything where they lay on your hand, they put that man. It not good for you for morning. It not good for you for evening. Now wait till they say when I tell you be that. And then they wait when they bring your information finish. If they don't bring and finish, I'll come swear for you. The swear will follow you till the next generation. For what you do that woman. Now very bad thing how you do that woman. Very bad thing. It's no good. So my brother, that's why I talk and rage. I beg you for today na first time when you come here. When you call this my platform, I beg you subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show for YouTube. I can't talk the as I take the comment, whether na once in a week or 2 times in a week or we dey make people the joke for there, we dey do different things for there if we don't reach there. But the way I take comment this evening, the way they take tell me, talk to me, I can't confuse. May God not let us confuse. I feel sorry for that woman. I feel sorry for her. So I beg, if your brother wey did there, sister wey did there, mama, I beg, una dey respect una dignity. Make una dey respect her. If it is say I come out the way I take come out yesterday, go reach that work, I will call the mention all of them. I not see today, I not even talk about that side. Because I don't know the real story. This is our sister na Napoli day. So I beg, if you did there, you be man. I beg, use your sincere heart to the follow woman. Not because of money, go do what you not supposed to do, what cause go to follow your generation. Cause go to follow your generation, not be waiting good. Me be man when he gets sense, where it don't happen to me 6 months ago. Early morning when I just get off of bed, I just see message that call. As I see the light bright, now woman wey naked. Now I tell her, I say, this morning when I'm going to work, call this one, my friend, you are a coward. Now that day, that woman call me rich. If I be man when weak, I just at that bed. I don't know waiting make her call me that morning like that. So I beg, make una dey look something they do. If you be woman, you dey there, you need man, you see man. Make sure say you find a rich house. Go know a house, go know a family background. I know say some women born for Europe here, they don't know their family, the man will give their belly, they don't know their house. They don't know their house, not be waiting good. Try make you go know their house. If now your tribe do this thing just now, or that man, you know I reach a house. Since yesterday, you could not send message go to people house, send the video to the people, say, Mona see what una brother do me, we not quarrel, we not do anything. If family go know how they'll take talk to them. But nowhere to find out the boy now, you know if you find out. So our sisters, we did there, where they say tribe no good, person we say teen no good. Person we say teen no good. Now what did they see for inside this? Say because we can't do for Europe. Una wey be woman now go to condemn una own brother, say they're not good. Not be waiting good. Not be waiting good. Muna change una character because of the one way they come again. Muna teach the good things. Muna they teach the good things. Now that's why I tell una read this again. Any I take talk and not be presenter, they tell una always. The little that I have, I can't drop on. If you take from my own, you go that one, go take, you go join all of them together. It gets on one way not good, get the one way good. You go take and they do something. Mostly our women nowadays, computer. Hello. Italy number. Maybe go call back. An Italy number. So I beg. Muna they look something they do. Muna not go to fall for all those trash. Muna not go to fall for all those rubbish. I beg. I beg, I go beg una. Since when some of the people will come in the morning, I be one coming so. We coming just now, I be coming so. So I beg, anything una they do, our sisters. Disgrace una they give us. The disgrace won't come too much. Our papa come out, come swear. Say they don't want me, they see these people will sleep again. It is say they see day now, they never swear put. The disgrace will for day now. If you pass the one who would see. The disgrace when they first do down, now with the throttle and meg now. Where other one go to come out, or other one go to come out. I beg. Anywhere on a day, my sisters, Muna they look something they do. All this one are everlasting shame. Any person we doing you by, where you're doing you, say it by doing, they find anything, view or anything. Time they come when you go see get the shame. Talk about see this one way you don't know. You don't know. Say I love you. He open his heart as a good woman. He open his heart as a good woman. Say I don't see man. Let me end the rest of my life here. let me plan a good things with this man. The man say, I open. Now you go see this insult. So our sister, people say they call you since you no carry phone. I beg take heart. Since 3 days, they say you know they carry people phone. Take heart. This one, it give many women lesson. Many women will learn from inside. Now so we men see be now so we'll see learn from inside. We not see one man that it can't be bracketed now. So if we not take learn sense from inside this thing where they happen, so you go see they happen more. And the shame when you go put for your body, it not be now everlasting shame. Now waiting you go for split if you not be person where you get strong acts. When they say add the failure. Add the failure. Now they add the failure they come. I beg, sister, wait, they there. Brother, wait, they there. We go see this video. Anything when I talk, since take the good one, may take do something. Take the bad one, to where. Now, so I talk this video reach because I thought they go. Now, I'm not saying one complete 1 hour, so I know they pass 1 hour. I be like, say the 1 hour, I don't do for exam, my brain, I don't the grammar. So if you get call where you want call, if you don't get call, it's good. I beg, make una subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. Mona see press the notification bell for here. Mona press the notification bell, mona press like. In case anytime when I did line, una phone go make you go, una no say I did for line. I dey sell her for different route for this one. For this one, I don't want measure am. This route, so you know no say if we dey for our place. Now fresh leaf. When I drink some more water. No say if we dey for our side. Now fresh leaf, fresh wood. Now we will put drink. As the doctor say, it don't come, it don't dry. If you buy this root, you go let and soak for you well. Not be say you always there, you put drink today, you start to drink and you say no work. Because it don't dry before the drink will soak enter inside, it will take time. Now better root where you go buy for us, where you go they take on. Where you go know say we're calling for the line. Hello. Hello, Mama, good evening. Good evening. I did for life. Oh. Okay, welcome, madam. Talk to us.
Yeah, I said the man will do this thing. You not go better for him. You not go better for him for afternoon.
Amen.
You not go better for him for night.
Amen.
Because you put shame for this woman body, now shame go be your own.
That man.
Now the man that they put so. Shame will be your own. Your untimely death shall be yours until you go back and apologize to that woman. But at the same time, they use this period, they beg our women. Make we they get limitation. Limitation is very important. I beg. Make we they get limitation. Not be everything we go just give man. Like that. I beg our women. Yes? Make we they cover our body small. Because this she went too far. The guy was doing it on purpose. You know? I beg my sister. Take heart. But this is a lesson for all of us. Thank you, my brother. You have spoken well.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. So, I beg, I dey sell for different routes. If you need them, make una call. If you call me, I will tell you the work where you find for inside. But this one, I plenty parts. This one, una know what I think I talk now. If your man you know say I know what talk and finish, not be everything that they talk. So I get them for different routes. If you need them, you call, but it go take time. If you reach your house, it go take time before it go soak. I know if I give you now, you already there. You buy drink, put for 1 time, 2 times. You just go to me and say no work because the wood is not dry. For our place now, fresh one, I did they bring them. If we did for our place now, fresh one, we did they put drink. But for here, it go take time before it go soak. Before it go start to So now, so I talk this video this photo this evening. Our sister now so will see beg you as a mother, because then you be our mama, you be our sister. You not be small picking, you be sister when you don't advance. We be one make sure say they for one place before the end. You know, see as our brother the preacher, single mother must marry, single mother must marry. Now you take see your love before. You know say bad this one and bad love. So our sister, our mama, take heart. Anything where you see, I beg, may you try me to carry people for me. They see encourage you, may they see give you hope. That's why I talk and read this evening. Good night, sister. God go bless you. God go give you strength for morning. He go give you strength for evening. And he go still give your pikin strength. I want to use this opportunity, the last say, please, if that video there with you, if that video there with you as a man, as a woman, that video there with you for a house, I beg, make una delete the video. If you be man, take and send to your mama. If you be woman, take and send to your sister, or take and send to your mama. Now woman, the born woman. Now woman, the born woman. Now woman, the born man. I beg, if that video there with now, for us, anywhere on a day, for part of the world. As I dey finish this video now, the one way dey for inside my phone, I dey delete and throw away. Una good evening, una good night. Make una sleep well. 1 hour don't complete. It don't complete for inside my brain. Una do well, God go bless all of una for part of the world. Anything we on the poor hand, go better for now. The cost we will cost for here, not be we will come look here. Anyhow we take us on. The prayer we will pray for here, now be all of us home. Una good night to make una take your pikin sleep well. Make una take family sleep well. God will bless all of una. Good night.
Yeah, my country people, we are back again, Benin Edo TV. I hope una don hear from our brother, Prophet Atiti, concerning the advice may give man and woman when they social media. My country people, if you see the one way good for his side, when you like, you take them to yourself. If you see the one way you don't like, make you throw it on. Before you go, make you also share this video. And if you never subscribe to Benin Edo TV, make you do so. Make you click the notification bell in case when we upload, you will be the first to be notified. Thanks for watching.